First, close your Epic Games launcher. Now open a folder. Go to C. Open the Program Files folder. Open the Epic Games folder. Open the Fortnite folder. Open the Fortnite game folder. Open the binaries folder. Open Win64. Open the BattleEye folder. Click on Uninstall BattleEye. Click on Yes. Press OK. Press Install BattleEye. Now close your folder and run your game. That didn't work. First open a folder and go to C. Open Program Files. Open the Epic Games folder. Open the Fortnite folder. Open the Fortnite game folder. Open the binaries folder. Open the Win64 folder. Open the EasyAntiCheat folder. Double-click the EasyAntiCheat setup file. Press Yes. Press Install EasyAntiCheat. Press Finish. If EasyAntiCheat is already installed, open EasyAntiCheat Setup. Press Yes. Select Fortnite from the drop-down menu or current game 217. Press Repair Service. Press Finish. Now launch the game. That didn't work. First open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver software. Wait for the update to be installed. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now click on Check for updates.